All right, shifter adjustment to get, you know, a good placement. This is where I have it. Okay, second gear is basically here. I can basically almost rest my hand right on the front edge of my seat when everything's lined up. That's second. That gives me so comfortably when I'm driving. I can go to first, and my arm is almost extended. It's just slightly broken, but there I am in first gear. Second, third, fourth. I don't have to lean forward or anything. It's just there. Now, reverse is over there. So I have to move my leg a little bit to hit reverse, but that's kind of a reminder to completely come to a full stop because there's no synchro in reverse. So reverse is something that you want to have to think about. So I like that though, because first is basically right there, straight, second, and now it's not banging into anybody's knees that's in the passenger seat. Now to get that setting, let me show you where those are. So I've got my car up, just fixed. And so this is I updated the shift coupler so that it's not just a tube coming in with a cotter pin, which is crap. I replaced it with this. This is a universal steering shaft off like a 99 Honda Civic, I think he said it was. Anyway, you've got to file just past the hole where the cotter pin used to be. Don't go too far. You'll have to repair your input shaft or your shifter shaft like I did. So very important, don't mess with that, because when this slides back in order to hit first gear, if you filed it too far, that flat spot goes and allows oil to come out of the seal. So don't be a dumbass like I was. So anyway, this got repaired. You have to file a flat spot where the bolt is gonna go. So I wouldn't even do that until you have a pretty good idea of where you want that to go. Because once you tighten this, you really don't wanna move this anymore. This just gets locked on the front, third roughly of the shaft. This bolt right here controls if you want your second gear to be back towards the seat more. This is the front to back, whatever that places the shift linkage, ultimately the handle, the shifter itself, closer or further away from you, but not left to right. Left to right is controlled right here. And so I loosen that up, basically put my shifter in second, loosen this guy enough that I can move it, and then go back into the car and just move the shifter where you want it. Then come back down here and tighten this guy up. So this is left to right, this is front to back when you're setting your linkage.